Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Tom and Anna.
Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for coming back to our channel again.
My name is Tom,
And I'm Anna.
and today we are going to learn a very important English topic in a super easy way.
Yes, and today many students are going to love this lesson because this topic is very useful in daily English.
Absolutely. Today we are learning present continuous and present perfect continuous.
Oh, wow. I know many students get confused between these two.
That is true,
Sometimes even I get confused.
and that is completely okay.
So what will everyone learn in today's lesson?
Today we will learn sentence structure,
Helping verbs?
verb forms,
Positive sentences?
negative sentences,
Questions?
WH questions,
Daily life examples?
spoken English examples,
Common mistakes?
and how to use these tenses correctly in real conversations.
So by the end of this lesson, everyone will understand these tenses completely.
Exactly.
That sounds exciting.
And if you really want to improve your English,
Stay with us till the end.
and do not forget to subscribe to English with Tom and Anna.
Okay, Tom, I am ready.
Perfect. Let's begin.
So first, tell me one simple thing.
Sure.
Why do students get confused between these two tenses?
Great question.
Thank you.
Students get confused because both tenses talk about actions happening around now,
Oh.
but their purpose is different.
Meaning?
Present continuous talks about something happening right now.
Right now?
Yes,
At this moment?
exactly.
And what about present perfect continuous?
It talks about an action that started in the past
Okay.
and is still continuing now.
Ah, so one is happening now,
Correct.
and the other started before now and is still happening.
Perfect.
That already feels easier.
Good.
Now tell us the structure.
Let's start with present continuous.
Okay,
The structure is very simple.
tell me.
Subject plus am, is, are, plus verb first form plus ing.
Can you say that again slowly?
Sure.
I am ready.
Subject,
Okay,
am, is, are,
yes.
verb plus ing.
Very easy.
Exactly.
Examples, please.
I am reading.
Nice.
You are talking.
Good.
He is sleeping.
Easy.
They are playing football.
Very easy.
Now, everyone listening,
Practice with us.
say this sentence.
I am learning English.
Very good.
Now say,
She is cooking food.
nice.
Now, let us learn present perfect continuous.
Okay,
The structure is
I am listening.
subject plus has been or have been plus verb first form plus ing.
Again slowly, please.
Subject,
Okay,
has been or have been,
yes.
verb plus ing.
Simple enough.
Now, examples.
Go ahead.
I have been reading for 2 hours.
Nice.
I have been cooking since morning.
Okay,
They have been playing since afternoon.
I understand.
Good job.
Tom, one question.
Sure.
Why do we use for and since?
Amazing question.
Thank you.
We use for when we talk about time duration.
Meaning time length?
Exactly.
Example.
For 2 hours.
Okay,
For 10 minutes.
got it.
For 3 days.
Easy.
Now, since.
Yes.
We use since for starting point.
Starting point?
Yes.
Examples.
Since Monday.
Okay,
Since morning.
nice.
Since 2024.
Very clear.
Now, let us compare both tenses.
This is important.
Very important.
I am ready.
Listen carefully.
Okay,
I am studying.
present continuous.
Correct.
Because action is happening now.
Perfect.
Next.
I have been studying for 3 hours.
Present perfect continuous.
Excellent.
Because action started earlier and is still happening.
Exactly.
I think I am learning fast today.
Nice sentence.
Wait,
Yes?
can I say,
Go ahead.
I have learning English for 2 years?
Almost correct.
Oops.
Many students make this mistake.
So what is correct?
The correct sentence is,
Tell me.
I have been learning English for 2 years.
Ah.
Never forget been.
So have learning is wrong.
Exactly.
Only have been learning.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about positive sentences.
Good idea.
First, present continuous.
Positive sentence means normal sentence.
No negative.
Correct.
Examples?
I am watching TV.
Nice.
She is drinking water.
Good.
They are playing cricket.
Easy.
Now make one sentence.
I am cook dinner.
Almost correct?
Again, mistake.
That is okay.
Correct me.
We say,
Yes?
I am cooking dinner.
Because verb plus ing.
Exactly.
Okay, my turn again.
Go ahead.
He is driving a car.
Excellent.
Yes.
Now, present perfect continuous positive sentences.
Okay.
I have been working since morning.
Nice.
She has been studying for 3 hours.
Easy.
We have been waiting for you.
Great.
Now you make one.
He has been watched TV for 1 hour.
Small mistake.
Again?
Yes.
Correct sentence?
Correct sentence is,
He has been watching TV for 1 hour.
because after been, we use verb plus ing.
Exactly right.
I think everyone is understanding now.
I hope so.
Guys, if you're understanding,
Comment one sentence below.
practice with us. Now let us learn negative sentences.
I'm ready.
Present continuous negative is easy.
Tell us.
Subject plus am not, is not, or are not, plus verb plus ing.
Examples?
I am not sleeping.
Okay.
She is not reading.
Nice.
They are not playing.
Very simple.
Now you try.
I not going to school.
Almost correct.
Where's the mistake?
You forgot helping verb.
Ah.
Correct sentence is,
Tell me.
I am not going to school.
Now I understand.
Good.
And what about present perfect continuous negative?
Very easy.
Tell me.
Subject plus has not been or have not been plus verb plus ing.
Example, please.
I have not been sleeping well.
Good.
She has not been working today.
Nice.
We have not been practicing English.
Very helpful.
And we still have a lot more to learn.
Yes, because questions, WH questions, common mistakes, speaking practice, and quiz are still left.
So stay with us,
And get ready for more practice.
because now things are going to become even more interesting.
I'm excited already.
Me too.
Great. Let's continue learning together.
I'm ready.
Now we will learn interrogative sentences.
That means questions, right?
Exactly.
Let's start with present continuous.
Very good.
What is the structure?
First, we move the helping verb to the front.
Okay.
Am, is, or are,
Yes.
then subject,
Okay.
then verb plus ing.
Simple.
Example.
I am listening.
Question becomes,
Tell me.
am I listening?
Nice.
Second example.
Okay.
She is sleeping.
Question is
she sleeping?
very easy.
Another one.
Yes.
They are playing football.
Question becomes
Are they playing football?
perfect.
Now you try.
Okay.
Make a question.
She's sleeping?
Almost correct.
I forgot something.
Yes.
Helping verb?
Exactly.
Correct sentence
Tell me.
is she sleeping?
Now I understand.
Good.
And what about present perfect continuous questions?
Very easy.
Tell me.
First use has or have,
Okay.
then subject,
Yes.
then been,
Okay.
then verb plus ing.
Example, please.
I have been studying.
Question.
Have I been studying?
Nice.
Second example.
Go on.
She has been working.
Question becomes
Has she been working?
easy now.
Exactly.
My turn.
Go ahead.
Have he been waiting?
Small mistake.
Again?
Yes.
Correct sentence?
We say,
Okay.
has he been waiting?
Because with he, we use has.
Exactly.
Now I understand.
Good job.
Now, what about WH questions?
Great question. Thank you.
WH questions start with words like what, where, why, when, who.
And how?
Exactly.
Let's start with present continuous.
Sure.
Example?
What are you doing?
Nice.
Where is she going?
Easy.
Why are they laughing?
Good.
When are you leaving?
Simple.
Now present perfect continuous.
I am listening.
How long have you been waiting?
Nice.
Why has he been crying?
Okay.
Where have they been working?
Very good.
How long has she been studying?
That's easy too.
Exactly.
Can I make one?
Of course.
Why she is crying.
Almost correct.
What is wrong?
Wrong word order.
Oh no.
Correct sentence is,
Tell me.
why is she crying?
Because helping verb comes before subject.
Exactly.
I need practice.
And now we will practice.
Perfect.
I will say a sentence.
Okay.
You tell me the tense.
Sounds fun.
Sentence 1.
Ready?
I am eating lunch.
Present continuous.
Correct.
Easy.
Sentence 2.
Yes.
I have been eating lunch for 20 minutes.
Present perfect continuous.
Excellent.
Next.
She is reading a book.
Present continuous.
Correct.
Good.
She has been reading since morning.
Present perfect continuous.
Perfect.
This quiz is helping a lot.
That is the idea.
Can we do spoken English examples now?
Absolutely.
Because people want real English.
Exactly.
Let's do it.
Imagine you call your friend.
Okay.
You ask,
Yes.
what are you doing?
That is present continuous.
Correct.
Daily English.
Another situation.
Okay.
You ask your friend,
Yes.
how long have you been waiting?
That is present perfect continuous.
Exactly.
Very useful.
Now imagine office conversation.
Okay.
Boss asks,
Listening.
are you working on the report?
Present continuous.
Correct.
Another one.
Boss asks,
Yes.
how long have you been working on this project?
Present perfect continuous.
Excellent.
I can see the difference clearly now.
Good.
Now tell us common mistakes students make.
Very important section.
I'm ready.
Mistake number 1.
Tell us.
Students forget been.
Example.
Wrong sentence.
Okay.
I have working since morning.
That sounds wrong.
Yes.
Correct one.
I have been working since morning.
So never forget been.
Exactly.
Next mistake.
Using wrong helping verb.
Example.
Wrong sentence.
Okay.
He have been studying.
That sounds strange.
Correct sentence.
Tell me.
He has been studying.
Because he uses has.
Exactly.
Next mistake.
Forgetting ing form.
Example.
Wrong sentence.
Yes.
She is cook dinner.
Wrong.
Correct sentence.
She is cooking dinner.
Excellent.
Another mistake?
Yes.
Tell me.
Using present continuous for long duration.
I do not understand.
Listen.
Okay.
Wrong sentence.
Yes.
I am studying for 3 hours.
Oh.
This is wrong.
Why?
Because the action started in the past.
So correct sentence is,
I have been studying for 3 hours.
now I understand.
Great.
Can you give us memory tricks?
Of course.
I love memory tricks.
First trick.
Okay.
If action is happening now,
Use present continuous.
exactly.
Second trick.
If action started before now and continues now,
Use present perfect continuous.
perfect.
Third trick.
See words like for and since.
Then think about present perfect continuous.
Exactly.
Very helpful.
Now let us do mini conversation practice.
Fun part.
I start.
Okay.
Hey Anna, what are you doing?
I am watching a movie.
Nice answer.
Another one.
Okay.
Tom, how long have you been studying English grammar?
I have been studying it for many years.
Very nice.
One more.
Sure.
Why are you smiling?
Because I'm learning English.
Excellent.
One more.
How long have you been teaching English?
I have been teaching English for a long time.
Very nice.
Now, viewers,
It is your turn.
pause the video.
And make one sentence using present continuous.
Then, make one sentence using present perfect continuous.
Comment your answers below.
We would love to read them.
And practice every day.
Now, quick revision.
Let's do it.
Present continuous talks about actions happening now.
Structure is am, is, are, plus verb, ing.
Present perfect continuous talks about actions started before now and still continuing.
Structure is has been or have been plus verb, ing.
Present continuous example.
I am writing.
Present perfect continuous example.
I have been writing for 2 hours.
Negative sentences use not.
Questions move helping verb to the front.
WH questions begin with words like what, why, where, when, how.
Do not forget been.
Do not forget verb ing.
And practice speaking daily.
Exactly.
And remember,
English becomes easy when you practice every day.
do not be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Keep practicing.
Keep improving.
And keep believing in yourself.
Thank you so much for learning English with us today.
We really appreciate every single one of you.
If this lesson helped you,
Please like this video,
subscribe to English with Tom and Anna,
share this lesson with your friends.
and comment your practice sentences below.
We will see you again very soon.
Until next time,
Keep learning English.
bye everyone.
Bye, friends.